This is my little cheap eBay drill press. When I moved here from Missouri, I sold my big drill press, and I've been kind of wanting something, but didn't want to spend a lot of money. And for 20 bucks, I got this fixture to put my big 1/2-inch drill in. And actually, I mean, for 20 bucks, it's not that bad. It's kind of goofy. Your drill clamps into it, and it comes with different little bushings for different size drills. Personally, mine didn't require any bushings at all, so my big 1/2-inch drill went right into the metal clamp. But yeah, I think for 20 bucks, it's not going to be too bad. I think I'm going to go find a wooden bar stool and use that to bolt this to, so it's a sort of a semi-permanent drill press stand. I mean, not a true drill press by any means, but it will hold the drill straight and give me a little bit of control. And it comes with this Allen wrench. You can slide it up and down. You know, maybe I'll get a little clamp that'll go on there, but for 20 bucks, it's worth taking a chance.